Hold up, Samantha B dated who after Tyrese?
I don't even want to tell niggas the first nigga you started dating when we broke up.
Tell us.
Because you going to go viral from that.
The name.
I want to tell niggas who you started dating as soon as we broke up. You would go viral from that.
And then I saw in the chat room that somebody said that maybe she cheated with the game. I can see that.
Really?
Why game of all people she had on her platform? He's like the biggest womanizer. He's got more women than
on brand.
Yeah, like he gets more ass than a toilet seat. Excuse my French, but yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so all of that, like I can almost see that happening. Not only that, it could be like a Tyrese rival because they're both from California. So the game is kind of like the dude that's gonna come at your girl to see if I can get her just to F with you.
Samantha, say it ain't so.